Hi guys! Welcome sa Sipnayan. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on operations and functions. No? And among the four operations, ito yung pinaka-last, no? Yung division of functions. So here we have f of x equals square root of x and then g of x equals x plus 2. No? So what is f over g of x? No? So from the definition, we have f over g of x equals f of x all over or just over g of x, no? Where g of x is not equal to 0. So this is equal to what is f of x? Just square root of x, diba? This is muna natin yung diretso. F of x over g of x, and this is g of x not equal to 0. And of course we have ang f of x natin ay square root of x, no? And our g of x is x plus 2, no? X plus 2. And of course, x plus 2 is not equal to 0. Diba? Meaning, pag x plus 2 is not equal to 0, this is x not equal to negative 2. No? X not equal to negative 2. So parang nag-equality ka rin, no? If x plus 2 is not equal to 0, then you subtract from both sides. Pwedeng minus tayo ng 2. O wala na to kasi plus 2 minus 2 is 0. Pero magma-minus 2 tayo dito, magiging negative 2 siya. And then not equal pa rin yan. So kaya siya naging x not equal to negative 2. No? So, isa yan sa restriction ng domain, di ba? Yung domain is a value of x, no? That makes the function defined, no? So, pag nag-negative 2 ka, magiging negative 2 plus 2 is 0, kaya bawal yung negative 2 dito. So, hindi ito kasama sa domain yung negative 2. Yung nasa sa numerator natin, ano ang hindi kasama? Ang negative, di ba? Ang negative number. So, meaning, positive pwedeng 0, pwedeng, o hindi pwedeng negative. So, meaning square root of x is greater than or equal to 0, which means that x is just greater than or equal to 0. No? So, pag tinignan natin yung domain, no? Yung domain nito, itong function na to is if we just look at this function f of x, no? Pag meron tayong number line and we want to find the domain 0, the domain of f is just greater than or equal to 0 kasi bawal yung negative. So from 0 pataas, no? Lahat ng numbers 0 including all the negative numbers. All the positive numbers. Diba? This is 1, 2, and so on. No? And of course, this is negative 1, negative 2, negative 3. Okay, so kasama yung 0. Kasi pwede namang square root of 0 is still 0. Ito, although na real numbers ito, yung g of x, pero pag nilagay na natin dito, bawal na yung negative 2. No? Kasi pag nag-negative 2 ka mag-isip, yung negative 2 bawal. No? So, nandito siya. Okay? Kung gusto nyo dito natin sa taas ilagay. Domain of G. So, bawal ang negative 2. Pero pwede lahat ng numbers. No? Kasi pwede naman positive, pwedeng negative, pwedeng 0 yung x. Dito sa denominator, bawal lang sa kanya negative 2. Meaning, lahat yan kasama. Lahat ng numbers except negative 2. Pero, sabi natin, ang domain ng dalawa, no, pag kinumbine na natin, is either addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Ang nangyayari dyan is, kinukuha natin yung common, no, yung intersection. No? So, saan sila common? Dito, from 0 Common sila dyan. From here, kasi pareho silang may value, di ba? Mag-divide tayo. Kung may value ka sa domain, kung may value ka sa F, kung ang domain mo ay kasama doon, yung number sa domain, ibig sabihin, meron kang number dito. Tapos dito rin sa domain, meron kang number dito. So, pwede ka mag-divide. No? Dito, meron kang G, meron kang value ng G, pero wala kang F, so hindi ka pwede mag-divide. No? Undefined eh. Okay? And, so ibig sabihin, from here, pataas, no? yung common sa kanila. It's from 0 to infinity. No? So, meaning if you're the domain of F over G, dito na pala siya ng x greater than or equal to 0. Or kung gumagamit kayo ng notation, no? Yung interval notation, 0 from 0, including 0, up to infinity. So, sa interval notation, from left to right yan, ibig sabihin, from 0 pataas. No? And then, yung bracket, ibig sabihin kasama yung 0. Meron tayong series on interval notation, no? So pwede nyo siyang tignan. Okay, nauna pa natin yung number 3 sa number 2. What is f over g of 9? So, ganun din. Substitute lang natin dito sa f over g of x. So, lahat ng x palitan natin ng 9. Magiging equal to square root of 9 over 9 plus 2. So, that is equal to 3. What is square root of 9? 3 over 11. Okay, so hopefully ay natutunan nyo yung mga dapat nating matutunan dito sa series. Kaya marami akong examples, no? Some are easy, some are a bit difficult. No? Ayoko naman kayong bigyan ng sobrang hirap, no? Baka hindi rin tayo magkaintindihan. So, hopefully ay nagagamit nyo itong number line na to. No? I don't know kung ginagawa yan sa books. Hindi ko na masyado nakikita sa mga Filipino books yan. No? I mean sa mga math books with Filipino authors, hindi ko masyado nakikita. But hopefully makatulong ito sa inyo to determine the common domains. No? Okay, so siguro we'll have 2 more examples, no, dito sa ating series, and then lilipat na tayo sa composition of functions. That's it. Maraming salamat. Gusto ko i-invite sa ating website, no, sipnayan.com, sa ating YouTube channel. Subscribe kayo, no? Marami tayong mga videos. And of course, our Facebook page. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next tutorial.